my name's Sadie, and today I'm going to take you through how to set up Google Search Console. So first of all, what is Google Search Console? It is a free service by Google that allows you to monitor and maintain how your website appears in Google search results. Google Search Console offers valuable insights, including which keywords are driving traffic, any issues that might be affecting your site's performance, and how your pages are indexed. These insights are valuable for optimizing your website performance and search engine visibility. The first step to setting up a Google Search Console account is to set up a Google account if you haven't already. Ideally, you would use the exact same account that you have for Google Analytics if you already have this. And if you don't, it is completely free and easy to set up. So once you have your Google account set up, you then need to go over to Google Search Console and sign in if you're not already. You then have two options for setting up your website on here. So you can either input your website domain or URL prefix. With each of these options, there are a few different ways of verifying them. So with verifying your domain property, you would need to verify this at domain level. If you want to learn a little bit more about how to do this, they have instructions on the Google Search Console website right here. When you're selecting the URL to verify your account, you'll want to make sure that it is your primary URL. So you'll want to copy the exact one from your search bar and paste this in. This can be a variation of www. Without. It could be HTTP, ideally not, because we want it to be HTTPS, but these are all different variations of the URL that you could have. So with HTML file upload, you would need to get your HTML verification file provided by Google and upload it to the root directory of your website using FTP or File Transfer Protocol. So your second option is to use a HTML tag. So you would copy the meta tag provided by Google and paste it in the head section of your website's homepage. You need to ensure that the tag is placed between the open head and closed head tags. Your third option is to use Google Analytics. So if you already have Google Analytics set up, it would actually automatically verify your Google Search Console account. Your fourth option is to verify using Google Tag Manager. So again, if you're using Google Tag Manager on your site, then you can select this option and it will automatically verify you. Your fifth and final option is to use your domain name provider. So some domain name providers offer integration with Google Search Console, allowing you to verify it directly through your domain registrar. So you want to check if your domain provider offers this option and follow their instructions for verification. If your site is built using WordPress, there is actually an additional way that you can verify Google Search Console using a plugin called Google Site Kit. You need to make sure that the plugin is installed, activated, and you then need to log into your Google Search Console account and grant it permission to access the data. You can then automatically verify your Google Search Console account with this plugin. So once you've verified your URL prefix, there is an additional option to add in the other URL variations that I mentioned earlier. So if it has a www. You could also include the one that doesn't, the one that is HTTP instead of HTTPS. There are 4 different variations that you could possibly have. And this isn't necessarily required, but it is good practice to just let Google know that you own all of them. So you have now successfully set up Google Search Console. The next step would be to add a sitemap, and I have a full video on this, which will be linked down below, where I'll take you through all of the methods for adding one to your account. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any other videos you want to see from us, and we'll see you in the next one.